Hi, today I'm in Zearn to show you how you can pull both login cards for your learners as well as the class code to your class. So now that I'm logged into my facilitator account here on Zearn, I'm going to go ahead and go to the roster tab. Once I'm there, I see that I have a class code here. I'm going to copy that to begin, which will become apparent why I'm going to do that here in a second. I'm going to grab this get login cards so that I can pull these cards. Now, instead of just printing these the way that they are, my recommendation to you is to hit the More settings, open PDF preview, and here's why I copied that class code. So Zearn provides the class code at the top of the entire sheet, but then when you either screenshot each individual card or actually cut them apart and hand them out, each learner doesn't have that class code and they've got to navigate somewhere else, whether that's Class Dojo, Schoology, etc., to find the class code. So my recommendation to you is to use the markup tool and the text box to go ahead and paste that code, and I'm going to just duplicate basically that process a whole bunch of times and put it individually on each card. Just put it in the same spot. And once I've got it there 2 times, if I hold down hold down Shift and then Command C to copy, I can just keep pasting that 2 times in place. And once I do it on the first sheet, what will be really nice, I can just select them all. Copy them all, come to the sheet. You should just be able to paste them and boom, they're all in place. Same thing here again on the 3rd page and same thing on the 4th page. If you've got these extras, delete them, print them, whichever. But now each learner has access to both the class code on their individual card as well as their username and password. So there's no losing kind of this username and password as well as the class code. They're both in one spot. And now I will go ahead and print this or share the individual screenshot of the card with those families. As always, I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for watching.